Not just another pretty face.
You, Steven. Steven.
Look at mommy.
Steven, what'd you eat?
It's ice cream. Tell her what yours.
Ice cream. What kind of chocolate? What kind of ice cream? Yuck.
Yuck.
Yeah.
Fat belly. Hi, fat belly. Hi. What? He does that all day long. What you got in your mouth, Steven? What you got in your... Huh?
Banana.
Banana. What do you have in your mouth? Let's see. Let's keep it open. What you got in your mouth, Steven? Oh, banana. That's good. You like banana?
Banana.
What are you?
Yeah.
What are you?
You have to say dinosaur.
So you say dinosaur?
That's it. Oh.
Huh? Can you say dinosaur? Steven? Can you say dinosaur?
Water.
Dinosaur. Dinosaur. Can you say helicopter?
Apple.
That's my favorite.
Apple.
Uh-huh. Can you read? Can you read? Steven's reading his book. You go get it.
That was one awesome flight, you know what I do? I pulled on.
Hey, fella. Come on down. Come on down this way.
You know when I jumped out of my...
No, climb.
You want to know?
Climb down this way.
I was wet.
What are you doing, Mike?
Huh? What?
As high as our...
Yeah, come with me. Come over here on this, right down here.
I feel like this is our highest. This is our highest. Oh, on my swing? That's huge.
What, Steven? Look at me. What'd you say?
We are zoo.
We are what?
Zoo.
What about it?
Zoo.
Oh, we're in the zoo, aren't we?
Yeah.
Where are we, Kristen?
Big.
What zoo is it? What zoo is it?
I don't know.
What's the name of this zoo?
I don't know.
Can you say Santa Barbara?
Santa Barbara Zoo.
Stephen? Can you say Santa Barbara Zoo?
Santa Barbara Zoo.
Look at me and say that.
Santa Barbara Zoo.
That's good.
That's a good one. That's a good stuff.
My best buddies right here. Stephen, how old are you now?
3.
What? 3 what?
3.
Kristen, how old are you? How old are you?
4.
I put the heavy battery on.
Hi, Stephen.
Then we can get your directions are on the back. No directions.
That's Linda.
What is it for? What is it?
Ninja Turtle.
Oh, I mean, it's
Who
all
is that?
here.
Open.
Who is it, Stephen?
Open this one.
Oh.
Get another one to open up.
I think that's that one. I like that.
Open this. Open this. You don't know what you're gonna like.
That's for me. That's
Wait,
for
you got
Kristen.
more. Open
That's for me.
Kristen's. Open Kristen's. Help him, Kristen. Hang on, save that.
Put that at the end.
That's a way to do it.
Yeah, sure. Look at Kristen. Look at her go.
Mom,
Look at that's yours.
She's
Look,
had-
this is yours
You
too.
can tell she's had professional training.
She's a girl, isn't she?
What is it?
Ooh, what's
a
that?
power sword.
What did you get, Stephen?
A power sword.
Kristen got you a power sword?
Yeah.
How
I
nice.
did not get power sword. Here it is. See? Look.
He's gonna run.
No.
It's Chris, Stephen. It's all right.
Oh, boy.
Oh,
Cool.
Jimmy didn't get scared.
No, no.
Don't.
Kristen,
Come on.
come here, let him get
Stay
used
right
to it.
here.
cool. Okay, there's more. We put it up. Okay.
What is okay, Steven?
You got more presents to open?
Look at this.
Okay, here's more
Here's
presents.
another present.
Can you open it? Look at this.
Okay, you can. You play with all these.
Look, this is from
Ooh.
Appertine.
Oh,
Yeah.
Black speakers.
Yeah.
There's a tired girl right there. There's Max. Wanted to wish you a happy birthday. Here at the Ponderosa, and we just want to wish you a happy birthday. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope the presents that you get don't upset you quite as much as the ones on the video. Happy birthday, and I hope you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving.